medium-sized pot. Okay, we're going to put 1 cup of water. Just get a few cloves and put in the water like this. Few. All right, with about 6 or 7. About 8 cloves. Using a large cup, you can do that. If you're using a medium-sized cup, put less. If you're using a small cup, put less. All right, guys, we've got some ginger. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of ginger into the water like that. All right, a good vibe. The garlic. We're gonna put 3 cloves of garlic into the water. We're gonna mix 3. Good vibe for Chef Ricardo. Google it. All right. Yeah. Take it off the cooker. We're gonna cover it.